Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hangul Ramadan. Here I want to give you some explanation about mind mapping story for midterm examination creative writing. The title of the story is The Miracle of Traditional Food. The topic that I choose is gastro literature. The reason why I choose this theme is because I thought about a cultural food in my city, namely puda. Puda is typical food or cake from Gresik City, East Java, Indonesia. This food made from rice flour, granulated sugar, and coconut milk, which is put into packaging made from what is called ope, or we usually call daun pinang. The other reason why I choose this gastro literature is because the philosophy in Buddha is quite interesting. Buddha is a food that symbolizes a person's form of love. So, my story is kinda like a romance and a culture. Okay, next is characters. So the characters, first we got Yasmin as a Mr. Ahmad's daughter, as well as a woman Thomas loved. She is beautiful woman, has a good manners, a woman who is gentle, and of course she is kind. The second is Sutomo as main character. Sutomo is hard worker who has high sense of responsibility. He is polite, kind, and respects each other. The next is Mr. Ahmad, which is the Yasmin's father, and also Sutomo's boss, and a village head. Mr. Ahmad is a businessman who has high integrity. He is quite respected by villagers, not because he is an old man or he is an angry man. No, but he is a firm of responsible person. The last is Sutomo's parent. They are people who always support the good things their children, which is Sutomo's, do. The settings is rice field, Sutomo's house, and Mr. Ahmad's house. So move to the first part of the story, exposition. Exposition is talking about an introduction of the story. As you can see here, in a village lived a young man named Sutomo. This sentence refers to introduction for Sutomo as a main character. And also, he was a handsome bachelor living with his parents in a rural area of city. This is also a introduction of the Sutomo's background. And also, Mr. Ahmad, the village had a well-established businessman. And this is also a introduction of Mr. Ahmad as a businessman and a village head. So that is the exposition. The next is rising action. Rising action is part where the problems coming to the story. The rising action in this text is Sutomo fell in love at the first sight to Yasmin, which is Miss Rahmat's daughter. He was get stunned by the beauty, gentleness, and politeness of Mr. Rahmat's daughter. So that is the rising action. The next is climax. In this text, the climax is on the appointed day, the engagement ceremony arrived. Sutomo, without thinking, immediately said that he would propose to Mr. Ahmad's daughter. So the climax is Miss Sutomo finally proposed to marry to Mr. Ahmad's daughter after she after he fall in love to Yasmin as Mr. Ahmad's daughter. The next is falling action. Falling action is where the problem is finally get solved, which is this in this text. After getting married, Sutoma and Yasmin live in harmony and maintain their love for each other. And the last is resolution. Resolution is where the conclusion about the story. So it is they never forgot Mr. Ahmad swore about their culture and often shared Buddha as a symbol of their love, a love that will never fade. As I mentioned earlier, Buddha is a symbol of their love. So this story is about a Buddha as a symbol of love and the culture of Gresik, because Buddha is from Gresik. Okay, yeah. I think that's all for my explanation. Thank you very much. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.